The consumption of water on an empty stomach is beneficial against some illness such as headache, body pain, heart issues, epilepsy, bronchitis, and asthma, TB, kidney problems. Immediately after waking up, before washing your teeth on an empty stomach, consume 160 milliliter of water 4 times. Brush your teeth but don't consume or drink anything for the next 45 minutes. Once the 45 minutes have passed, you can now eat or drink whatever you like. This method has the ability to heal various illness, and if you are healthy, you will gain extra energy that is given by the consumption of water. How many days are required for this treatment? For increased blood pressure, 30 days are required. For gastritis, 10 days are required. For diabetes, 30 days. For constipation, 10 days. For TB, 90 days are required. Drinking water has its own benefits whether your stomach is full or empty. Cleanliness your bowels. Drinking water on an empty stomach helps in cleaning your bowels. Prevents headache. Drinking water not only prevents headache but also arrests bad odor and other problems. Increases hunger. Drinking water early in the morning on an empty stomach clears all the waste from the body and makes you feel hungry. Increases energy. Drinking water on empty stomach stimulates the red blood cells, which in turn boosts the energy level of the body. Speeds up your metabolism. A person on a diet should drink plenty of water for an increased metabolism rate. Help in reducing weight. Water has no calories, and so drinking plenty of water as it helps it losing weight. Regular intake of water improves and enhances the quality of hair. Drinking water on empty stomach prevents the formation of kidney stones. Drinking plenty of water strengthens the immune system and keeps the body away from various kinds of infections. Drink a glass of water on an empty stomach every day to experience these benefits. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.